What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Entertainment. So Khumalo posted a video on her TikTok account where she was talking about trusting the process. This video came shortly after the Senzo Meyiwa trial, when advocate Mshololo was questioning Gininda and poking holes in his evidence when he was questioning him about the link between, as in how did accused number 5 get the money from Khumalo. And with that evidence, Brigadier Gininda failed to provide concrete evidence. Then Khumalo posted this video appearing as if she was in celebratory mode.
The process is never what we imagined. It doesn't look like what we've imagined. We think that the process will be smooth. We think we'll just go from A to B. But the process is never that easy. The process, and most of the times, the process is messy. It doesn't even look promising, especially the one that leads to what you've prayed to God for, you've asked God for. It never looks easy or even promising.
So from this video, we are definitely guaranteed that Khumalo is following and watching the trial attentively. And on this one, she definitely has to be grateful to Advocate Mshololo's great work for a client that is accused number 5. So what is amazing is that when Gininda failed to link Khumalo and accused number 5, I have no idea why he didn't go back to the calls and say here's the connection and the link between Khumalo and accused number 5. These calls, of course, he has failed to prove the money transfer from Khumalo to accused number 5, but what about those calls? You should surely have brought that up. But anyway, Khumalo managed to run away with a small victory on this one. So that's why it's a little bit hard for Gininda to try and convince the court about his evidence. He seems to be going round and round in circles. So tell me what you think in the comment section, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. So from this, we can definitely deduce that Khumalo is on team defense, not team state. It's kind of surprising though. That is just my deduction, because the state is against her, and the defense is definitely surely on her side, because the defense is trying to prove that these 5 accused are innocent and they have no connection whatsoever with Khumalo, and that is definitely working in Khumalo's favor. But what is really important was to hear what Khumalo has to say, so that we see which side she is on. But with what we have and what we've seen from that video, and the way the trial is going, definitely Khumalo is on team defense. And as for this early victory, can she really celebrate right now? Of course she can. It seems as if things are going her way, and they're definitely going her way. Just imagine, she went to perform in Pretoria and she was escorted by the police, but there's just another event that happened, I don't know where, but she wasn't escorted there. So it seems everything is just going her way. So tell me what you think in the comment section about Khumalo's early celebration in this trial, and on which side she is on. I'll catch you guys on the next one.